Hey gang, Poppy here. This is a short unboxing. You see, it's oh boy. Huh. Never seen this packing material before. Okay. This package is from Shars. And here is the merchandise. One. Let me see. If I get this zoomed in. No, I do not have it zoomed in. Okay. One 1032 tap. High speed semi gun. Not total gun, semi gun. Ding. There went the 1032 screw. .1032 tap. High speed, split adjustable. Come on, you start. Well, my alignment's a little bit off. Well, isn't that just sweet? I ordered 1032 and they sent me 1024. Nice tools. Unfortunately, they're the wrong damn size. I have to check and make sure that I didn't give them the wrong stock numbers. I just love it. Well, that's that. Unboxing. Pretty. Wrong fucking size. Well, I just came back from Walmart.com where I ordered my 1032 taps and die high-speed steel. They should be here on the 23rd and the 26th, according to Walmart. So far, they haven't screwed up too bad. It was FedEx who put my inverter, delivered my inverter to the people next door. I think they've learned their lesson since then. I raised enough stink. Anyway, that's another damn delay. I was going to get out in the shop tonight and show you something with the die. But since I don't have the right size yet, I'm delayed again. For want of a nail. It's a long damn poem. But it fits here. It really does. Good night from California. Be careful who you order from.